Welcome to 35-degree Colorado on a Sunday morning at 8 o'clock. I wanted to take the bike out this morning to test a few things. One, this jacket, to see how warm it is. This is a Merlin jacket. It's a warm weather jacket. I got it before I even bought the bike. I want to see how warm it is. It's really cold. It's like 35 degrees outside right now. Take the bike out, fill her up with gas. I can already tell this jacket is super warm. I think my biggest problem with cold weather riding is going to be my knees and my glasses fogging up. And I rode this bike home for the first time. It was like 90 degrees outside and I did nothing but sweat. It was miserable. The other thing that I wanted to test this morning is a different filter. Typically I ride in the like middle of the day, early afternoon where the sun is super bright, not super pleasant to film in. So I wanted to see how this filter looks when it's America. Super overcast like it is right now. We're just running to the gas station, get a Red Bull, proper way to start the day, and to fill up the old bike. Perks of riding a motorcycle is that you never get lights to change. These gloves aren't warm. I know that. Long johns would be the play. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to cheat. We're going to go right. Detour. Let's go. Yeah, it's too cold. My glasses are just going to keep fogging and fogging, so I got to leave the visor cracked. I've got all the vents taped off for this microphone, cut down wind noise. But when it's cold like this outside, that also causes lots of fogging to happen. I'll have to find a solution to that. Typically, I wear a mesh jacket because it's warm enough outside, so I just have a t-shirt on underneath, and then I wear that mesh over. It's got the padding in the elbows, back, and both shoulders. So this is the first real time I've taken this jacket out in not so pleasant weather. And I must say, I'm happy with how warm I am, from the wrists to the shoulders and down to my waist. Highly recommend this jacket to anybody who needs a warm weather jacket that isn't big and poofy and obnoxious. Let's get some gas. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Have a great day.
You too. Target acquired. Jacket held up. Very happy with it. I would just add some long johns and better gloves. These boots are actually really warm too. We're gonna head back. It's cold.